Good morning.
It's a very sad morning.
Why's that?
My son upstairs.
They did. She broke her second pair by just
In the
picking them up.
exact same way. In the exact same way.
This is why you don't buy cheap Primark sunglasses. Anyway, it's day
14.
we're going to guess.
No, because we said
That
13
must be.
yesterday, because I remember thinking it was
Oh yeah,
unlucky.
and we arrived like 2 weeks ago. Yes. So day 14. Today's plan is to go for extra magic half hour or whatever they call it these days at Hollywood Studios to try and do Slinky Dog. So let's see if anything is actually open this morning, since every other time nothing's been open.
Disasters again.
Then we will get bored quite quickly because it's a weekend, so it's going to get busy. So we are
Not
going to head
bored,
to Blizzard
frustrated
Beach.
is probably another word.
Yes. So we head to Blizzard Beach for it opening at 10ish or whenever we wake up.
River.
Fiona might go down Summit Plummet.
But, like, there's no chance of that.
She hinted she would do it. She's been going on and on and on about going down it.
Really?
So we'll see if she goes on it. And then who knows what we will do this evening.
Everyone, welcome. Disney's only. Reach for the sky, but not when you're riding Slinky Dog. You need to keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside Slinky on that one.
Darnation! That Slinky Dog is faster than a pack of critters racing for rhythm. Howdy! I'm Chelsea, the yodeling cowboy. Wow,
Everybody ready to celebrate? You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough, I go back in miles and miles. Retro lights for you.
And no cake.
Never a cake.
Never a cake.
That's heavyweight grandpa. And look right over here too. Fabulous.
I saw Mike the other day. I watched the last one. It was hilarious.
I'd love to hear that. So we're looking right up here. And right over at Sully's camera. Oh, very silly Sully. Love it.
We had a semi-successful rope drop.
You did? You got Slinky Dog out the way?
Yeah, in like half an hour. And then we did the alien swirling saucer thing because Toy Story Mania was already busy. But we walked on that, so that was good. And then Alice needed coffee, so we came to Joffrey's, which were in Pixar. I went and did a round of character meet and greets. I met Frozone, I met Edna Mode, I met Sully, and I didn't wait for any of them. I know. There were magical meet and greets as well. We're gonna walk past Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, but I think the queue's probably gonna be epic, so we'll probably then end up heading out and going to Blizzard Beach. But if it's not, we can ride. Alice to pick this chair as well because he really likes Wish. And look, there's a massive picture of it up there. He's watched it at least 7 times now, maybe an 8th tonight.
We're at a very busy Blizzard Beach.
When we say it's busy for us.
Yes.
We just waited like under 5 minutes to get on the chairlift.
Yes.
We wait normally one
This is
person.
busier than the summer when I was here.
However, Summit Plummet doesn't have a wait, so Alice has already volunteered to go down so I can film him. We're heading up to Teamboat Springs to do the family rough ride. And then I'm sure it'll be the lazy river because it ends up like right by the entrance.
I'm
So
not too lazy to walk.
and hopefully it's not too cold, although it's really hot.
It is warm.
Anyway, to Teamboat Springs. It's a little bit chilly, yes, and I'm going backwards.
Nice relaxing ride down Steamboat Springs. Relaxing.
You chilled out, Alistair. Why did you manage to get me backwards?
Luck. It's normally me. That's twice now, first time it's been you. Ready for collision? Relaxing.
This like little gift outside of like our area of where we're staying. So it says a little something to brighten your day. I'm gonna open it if I can work it out. It's so cute. I love that people do this, and it has got stickers in. So I got Bullseye and the Claw. They're like my favorite too. And we have Lightning and the McQueen and gang. And then we have a snowflake for Elsa because Fiona's always cold. And then this is the cutest. Ah, it's a Hercules bracelet, and I love Hercules because Hades rules. So it says Hercules, and then it's got this little Mickey's on. I will wear that later. Let's see what this little note says. It says, you have been pixie dusted. Hope this little gift brings some smile to your day. Post in All Stars music group Pixie Dust, Walt Disney World and Walt Disney World Tips and Trips. From, oh my gosh, and I'm gonna butcher this name. It does say Michael, but there's another name, so I'm gonna just hold it up so that you can see it because it's so cute and I don't wanna make a mess of the name. And it's got a tink too. We're off on the road again. boat again. So we played at the pool at the resort, and we have now showered. And Alistair is currently, I'm guessing, looking at the loops. We are going to the loops, which we discovered on our last trip in January. And there's a Bath and Body Works there, which is one of the main reasons that we're heading that way. And then I can't remember what else is there actually, but there's quite a few options of things there, wasn't there? He's also thinking about going to the Character Warehouse, so we're just going to have a bit of a shopping spree to do because the parks are busy as anything. So we're going on an adventure. Come along with us. Denny's for food. We have become like old people though and just going with the regulars. Alice has got like this Grand Slam sandwich which she had last time, and I went for a cheese and tomato omelette with hash browns and toast.
Thanks for watching us, everybody.
And for tuning in to our latest Florida vlog.
If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe to be notified when we post more videos.
We usually come to Florida about once a year, so there's definitely more magic to come.
And every now and again we post random other videos too, so make sure you hit subscribe to get notified when we post them.
Thanks for joining us, and until next time.
Bye.